The Pyrex 2-piece glass measuring cup set offers a reliable and efficient solution for precise measurement in the kitchen. Made from high-quality glass, this set is designed to withstand the rigors of everyday use. One of the standout features of this product is its vibrant color. The 2-piece measuring cup set comes in an attractive color that adds a touch of style to your kitchen. Not only does it serve a functional purpose, but it also enhances the overall aesthetic appeal of your cooking space. The material used in the construction of these measuring cups is glass. Glass is an excellent choice for measuring cups as it is resistant to stains and odors. It is also non-reactive, ensuring that your ingredients retain their original flavors without any contamination. The use of glass in this set not only provides durability, but also makes it safe for use with both hot and cold ingredients. In terms of capacity, each measuring cup in the set can hold up to 8 ounces of liquid.
The OXO Good Grips 3-piece angled measuring cup set is a versatile and reliable tool for accurate measurement in the kitchen. With its thoughtful design and high-quality materials, this measuring cup set offers convenience and durability. One of the standout features of this set is the angled measuring cups. The angled design allows for easy reading of measurements from above, eliminating the need to stoop down or lift the cup to eye level. This not only saves time but also prevents spills and reduces the risk of inaccurately measuring ingredients. The clear measurement markings, both in cups and milliliters, are clearly visible and easy to read, ensuring precise measurements for any recipe. Another impressive aspect of the OXO Good Grips 3-piece angled measuring cup set is its construction. Made from durable Triton material, these cups are resistant to stains and odors. They are also BPA-free, providing peace of mind when it comes to food safety. The cups have a sturdy handle.
Overall, I find the KitchenAid measuring cups to be a reliable and practical addition to any kitchen. Made from durable plastic, these measuring cups are designed to withstand everyday use without any compromise in quality. One of the notable features of these cups is their attractive aqua sky color. It adds a vibrant touch to the kitchen decor and makes the cups easy to locate among other utensils. The color is appealing to all and adds a touch of elegance to the overall kitchen aesthetic. In terms of functionality, the cups provide an ample capacity of 8 ounces. This is suitable for most common measurements used during cooking and baking. The measuring lines are clear and easy to read, ensuring accurate measurements every time. The cups also have a pouring spout, which makes transferring liquids neat and hassle-free. The item dimensions, measuring at 7.4 into 3.63 into 3.04 inches, are compact and space-efficient. They can be easily stored in drawers or cabinets.
The Chefcraft easy-to-read plastic measuring cup set is a reliable and practical tool for any kitchen. With its vibrant blue color and easy-to-read measurement markings, this set is both visually appealing and highly functional. The material used for these measuring cups is durable plastic, which ensures longevity and resistance against breakage. This makes them suitable for both everyday use in the kitchen and for more demanding culinary tasks. Each cup in the set has a capacity of 1 ounce, allowing for precise and accurate measurements. The clear measurement markings on the cups are easy to read, ensuring that you can accurately measure your ingredients without any guesswork. The Chefcraft brand is known for its high-quality kitchen products, and this measuring cup set is no exception. The brand's commitment to excellence and attention to detail is evident in the design and functionality of these cups. With dimensions of 2.5 into 5.5 into 7.5 inches, this set is compact in space.
The OXO Good Grips 2-cup angled measuring cup is a must-have tool for anyone who loves cooking and baking. With its innovative design and superior functionality, this measuring cup stands out among its competitors. One of the standout features of this product is its angled measuring surface. The cup is designed in such a way that the measurements are easily readable from above, eliminating the need to bend down or squat to check the quantities. This feature is a game changer for people with mobility issues or back problems, as it ensures effortless and accurate measurements. The 2-cup capacity of this measuring cup is perfect for most recipes. Whether you're measuring dry ingredients like flour or sugar, or liquids such as milk or water, this cup has you covered. The 500 milliliters capacity is conveniently marked with clear measurement indicators, allowing you to precisely measure the required quantities for your recipes. Even though the cup is made of plastic, it is built to last.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.